It's 2023 and everyone's trying to figure out how to make money online and how to make money online in a quick way. But all I want to know is, are you ready to take that risk when it comes to making money online? Nothing is guaranteed, nothing is promised, and that's what scares a lot of people. It also makes a lot of people join the more flashier sides of making money online, which in reality, really have a high fail rate. But if you're really looking for a way to make money online in 2023, you just got to figure out what type of work, what type of effort are you willing to put into it. How long would you like this money to take to come in? How many hours do you have every single day to put into this type of craft? Are you willing to think outside the box? Are you willing to put the time in when it comes to learning these skill sets? But to be honest, in my opinion, the main ways to make money online is either content creation, affiliate marketing, network marketing, and YouTube, which also equals content creation. Those are pretty much the quicker ways and the low risk factors to make money online. So when we're talking about affiliate marketing can mean a lot of things. It can mean something as simple as referring a product such as vidIQ, like you see in my comments below, that's going to help you, rank and optimize your YouTube videos, or as big as something like Livegood, which also is in my description, which is a health and wellness company, that has inexpensive products. It just all depends on what you're looking to do. Looking to build residuals, meaning, monthly subscriptions. You're going to get paid money on a weekly and a monthly basis. Are you just looking for something, that might come in every single month like YouTube? It just all really depends. But the biggest thing is, what is your budget? Do you have any money? Are you willing to invest any money? A lot of people, want to do everything for free. But when it comes to making money online, it's going to kind of be hard to do things for free, because if there's no exchange of a product or service, not many companies that's going to let you, just refer their product, with no initial, trying of their product, with no initial affiliate fee or anything. It's just usually not the case, because the company is just paying out all this money, and they have all this overhead already. So they're paying out even more money to you. Yes, they're bringing in business from your advertising, but websites and up costs like that, still can become an issue. So that's why they usually charge affiliate fees or make you buy the products, etc. YouTube is more, it's a more slower thing, because you got to figure out what type of channel you want. Do you want to do a niche-based channel, how-tos, top 5 videos such as that? Do you want to do a daily IRL channel, vlogs, pranks, and stuff like that? So that can take a little bit more work. So to me, affiliate marketing is always the best way to get going, and do a YouTube channel at the same time, so you're building revenue on the back end. But to me, these are the biggest ways to make money online in 2023. I always link my affiliate links below, obviously, because this is a way to drive traffic through videos such as YouTube. So you can have an affiliate business, use YouTube to drive traffic to that affiliate business, at the same time build up your views and subscribers for YouTube, so you can have another income from YouTube. It's called double dipping, if you should say. So it's all about saying I can do it, believing you can do it, believing in these industries, because there's millions of people making money online. There's millions of YouTubers. So it obviously works. There's many people promoting these same affiliate products, these brand deals. It's all, just a matter of, do you want it to work for you? But thank you for watching this video. Make sure you subscribe to the channel, thumbs up, and let me know what